oil and filter renewal. Open the bonnet by pulling the lever in the driver's footwell and releasing the underbonnet catch. The bonnet is supported by gas struts. Release the retainer from the engine cover and pull it upwards and towards you to release it from the rear mountings. Apply the handbrake, then jack up the front of the vehicle and support it on axle stands. Undo the screws and remove the undershield. The oil filter is accessed from within the engine bay. Place rags around the housing before you remove it. Unscrew the oil filter cap using a special socket before removing the socket and lifting off the cap with the attached filter. Be prepared for it to drip. Use the rags to clean the inside of the housing. Remove and discard the old filter and the seals. Clean the filter assembly and fit new seals, taking care not to damage them. Put some clean oil on the new filter's contact points before fitting it to the cap assembly. Put some clean oil on the oil seals before installing it into the assembly and tightening with a torque wrench. Don't forget to remove the tool. Position a drain tray under the oil sump plug and remove the oil filler cap. Remove the oil drain plug. Allow some time for the old oil to drain, noting that it may be necessary to reposition the container as the oil flow slows to a trickle. Wipe off the drain plug with a clean rag and renew the sump plug sealing washer. Clean the area around the drain plug opening, then refit and tighten the plug. Remove the drain tray from under the vehicle. Position a funnel in the oil filler opening and add the correct grade oil. Pour in half the specified quantity of oil first and then wait a few minutes for the oil to run to the sump. Continue adding oil to bring the level up to the upper mark on the dipstick. Insert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. Raise the under tray using a jack and tighten all of the screws. Lower the vehicle to the ground